For day 2 notes, this is surface area and volume of spheres. So just to label the parts of the sphere, I'm going straight through the center from one side of the sphere to the other side of the sphere. That is your diameter. Your radius goes from the center to the side of the sphere. The circle here in the very center, that is called the great circle. And then lastly, the center, or the middle, is just called the center. So here you are given the two formulas for surface area and for volume. And so it's just a matter of really just plugging in the numbers and then knowing how to calculate from there. So first, if I have to find the surface area, given the radius 7, it says that I need to do 4 pi r squared. So 4 times pi times r squared. The directions do say to leave in terms of pi. So I'm going to leave that pi there. So I have surface area equals 4 pi, but my radius is 7 squared. So if I simplify this, I would get 49. And then 49 times 4 is 196 pi. So when working with area, remember that we do inches squared. Okay? For volume, the volume formula says you've got 4/3 pi r to the third power. So 4/3 pi, where r is 7 to the third power. So 7 to the third power is 343. All right, now what I would do is I would do 4 times 343. Okay, so 4 times 343. This gives me 1372 divided by 3. Then I would divide that by 3, and I get this decimal. Okay, it says 457.3 repeating. So I would use it as 457.3 repeating pi inches cubed. So you put a 3 on the label. Okay, for part B, you are given the diameter. So first of all, find the radius. The radius here is half of the diameter. So the radius is 17 meters. Okay. Surface area, 4 pi r squared, so 17 squared. 17 squared is 289. If I take 4 times 289, we get 1,156 pi. For the volume, 4/3 pi r cubed, so 17 to the third power, and that comes up with a very large number of 4,913. So I would do 4 times the 4913, and this gives me a pretty large number of 19,652 divided by 3 pi. So I need to divide those and then leave it in terms of pi. So divide that by 3, and we get 6,550.6 repeating pi. And then that would be meters cubed.